Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996. Just want to show you guys, if you're doing a condenser, make sure you replace the O-ring, which is that one there and that one there. Got two new O-rings. The old ones here is the green one. So just a little trick to do: don't mount this on and then push this onto the actual condenser, because you actually sometimes you can go in like this. That's fine. So, but usually it doesn't make sense. But this side here, I usually just mount the left hand side on, because the way the lines are designed from factory, on the left hand side they're pretty loose, but the left hand side, so the left hand side is loose, but the right hand side, this is really tight. So if you're doing the right hand side, take it out, connect this on, put this on first, put the pipes on first. After that, then you put this condenser back on. And if you try to push it on, you end up damaging the pipe and damaging the actual condenser itself. So if it doesn't go on like that, then just take this condenser off, put it on first, torque it up to 10 Newton meters, 10 and 10, and put this on. You'll be alright. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.